When cleaning results are interpreted, one of the most important questions is how much of the residue on a surface is actually captured by the sampling process. This is described as recovery. Recovery is the percentage of residue that can be removed from a surface during sampling and then detected by the analytical method. For example, if 100 micrograms of residue are present on a surface and the sampling and extraction process allows 70 micrograms to be detected, the recovery is 70%. Because recovery is rarely 100%, the reported value may underestimate the true residue level. A result below the acceptance criterion, therefore, does not automatically confirm compliance. It only supports compliance when recovery has been validated and correctly interpreted. Recovery is not a fixed property. It varies depending on the sampling method used, the characteristics of the surface, the efficiency of extraction, the sensitivity of the analytical method, and the consistency of the person performing the sampling. To assess whether reported data is reliable, each of these influences must be examined.